Alright, my love, where are you?
We're at the chapel and we're
Gonna get married.
We're not actually getting married at the chapel though.
No.
We
That's
might
true.
take pictures of the chapel though. That would be fun.
That would be fun. Right now we're just gonna walk this path, hike a little bit with a dog.
Cute dog.
So that's the road where we came from. And this is
The road where we're going.
yes.
This is the UTV road though.
As a YouTube, yeah. One of the tours that I take part in as a tour guide passes through this off-roading trail. And like I said, I don't think I've ever walked this trail.
I walked part of this the other day.
And the water that you see is actually the north coast of the island of Aruba, the rough side. Not recommended to swim. Some spots you can bodyboard. A few you can surf, but mostly bodyboarding, because here the waves are a bit too choppy. They're not as long, so they're not really like 100% good for surfing. It's mostly bodyboarding. So.
Yeah. Choppy waves are just not the most fun anyway.
You look beautiful
Thanks, love.
in the wilderness. I hope that the sound quality is good, because
I know it's gonna be a bummer if it's not.
yeah, it's
I
very
think it'll
windy.
be okay.
Yeah. Technically, that is at everywhere you go in Aruba, because
Yes.
you always hope that the sound is good, because it's very, very windy.
Okay, so there are two paths, which we took the right one.
Yeah. Which one did you take last time?
I think I took this one too.
So that one is actually the path that the UTVs take when I'm at work. This one, I don't know who would take this, but probably other companies with tour guides that are a bit crazier, I guess.
Because of the rocks.
Yeah,
I mean, definitely somebody takes it.
yeah. And these ones are actually mountain biking trails. So it goes across this area and goes that way. There are a lot of mountain biking trails in this area, very close to the coast, the north coast of the island. And lately they have been working on them, so kind of cleaning them up. There is actually like a mini bulldozer that we see along the way. Oh, there's a bunch of mountain bikers coming all the way
wow.
in the far side. Ah. But yeah, I think they're cleaning up the mountain biking trails.
That's good.
We can go that way,
Mm-hmm.
and we can go that way. There is. I want to go that way. Just go through the wilderness.
The wilderness.
I want to see if I can survive. Oh, there's a path here. Let's take this path. Did you know that I adore you?
Yes, I did.
Thanks, love.
And I adore you.
Thanks, love.
Oh no.
Thanks, love.
Oh no. Thanks you. Oh, sorry, love.
It's okay. So, when are we gonna start mountain biking?
Tomorrow.
No, we're not.
No, we're not. Probably when my family comes out, they're all gonna want to.
Really?
No, just Daniel.
You think so?
Daniel will definitely want a mountain bike.
No way.
If you told him like about mountain biking here, he would be all over that.
Well, Daniel, I used to, for a very short period of time, I was actually doing a mountain biking tour
Yep.
with another company that I used to work for. They started a mountain biking tour actually across this area.
Yep.
There's one mountain biker all the way over there where we just walked. I don't know if you can see it. Probably you can. I don't know. And it went from Bushiribana all this way, all this road till the
Gosh, it was
lighthouse.
so hot.
Yeah. It was early in the morning, but it did get hot.
Did you have a lot of people that wanted to do?
No, not that much. That's why they stopped it actually. The thing is, like in the previous company, the GM and I don't remember what the other guy's position was, but they both were mountain bikers. And it was kind of like a passion project type thing that they wanted to introduce, like mountain biking tour. It was fun. I enjoyed it actually. But
I've actually never been mountain biking, which seems like a crime living in Colorado and never going mountain biking. But mountain biking in Colorado is extremely intense.
oh, I
Like
would imagine.
you're on an actual mountain, you
That's
know,
true.
like
Yeah.
mountain biking is like actually mountains.
Yeah.
You know? And so I was never as that confident of a biker, confident of a biker
Okay.
to
Try
do
it.
that.
Yeah. The thing for me is like I am very competitive.
Yeah.
And I also like anything that involves or produces adrenaline inside my body. So like even for example like that mountain biking tour.
Yeah.
I hadn't. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Like I hadn't. I've mountain biked before in the past,
Yeah.
but before that tour started, I hadn't for years. You know what I mean? But I was on it. I was like, when they mentioned it, I was like, dude, I want to do that. You know?
Yeah.
So I'm like that. So my point is, if whenever we go back to Colorado, like it's gonna be very tempting to just do it. No practice,
The
no
thing
nothing.
is,
Just
you can't do it in the winter.
why?
So, because there's snow on the mountain.
Oh yeah. That's
So,
true. I don't even know why I asked why.
so we'd have to visit in the summer at some point,
Yeah.
and then you can go with Daniel.
Yay, Daniel.
Yeah, Daniel has
We're going mountain biking.
has gone too rough with people before, though. Taking them on too rough of trails.
Oh boy.
And stuff,
Dude,
so
I'm
I'm
ready.
not 100% confident that Daniel won't like take you and get you hurt or something. So I kind of want to be like, hey, I'm coming along.
Listen, I'm ready, man. I am ready.
I'm gonna be like, I'm
Let's
coming
do
along,
it.
and so he'll make it like easier.
Gonna do it. I'm ready for this. I grew
But-
up in this shack, man. I grew up in this fisherman hut. I'm ready for mountain bike in Colorado. I didn't
Elijah
actually
mountain
grow up here.
biked. Ben's really good on a bike. Ben used to bike to work and stuff. He was a very avid biker.
Nice.
Sam and Noe, they were all born in Colorado, so they just adapted
Oh,
to
yeah.
everything. You know, that's why they snowboard and ski and everything.
Yeah.
And Daniel was too. Daniel's a native of Colorado. So us Californians are not as bike ready.
Yeah.
Southern Californians, I should say, because there are mountains in California where people are just as capable as of handling mountain biking.
Makes sense.
And yeah,
And here
but I
we
could
are.
hike any mountain.
I believe in you.
I'm confident in that.
Always and forever. This is the scenery which we are enjoying currently.
So pretty.
And that beautiful sun.
Yes.
There's a person walking there with a dog.
It's gonna be us and Denali.
Yeah. A lot of people that I think we are very blessed to live in the area where we live, because
Yes.
we drove like 5 minutes, and you can park behind the chapel or near the chapel and just
Walk.
take these
Another
trails.
5 minutes? What is it, 10 minutes?
Yeah. That's nice.
Wow, look at the waves. Oh, my family's gonna be so jealous.
So, I mean, they shouldn't be, because they can come over anytime.
That's true.
Letting us know in advance. No, I'm kidding. I'm
Oh.
joking. I'm kidding. You're always welcome here. All right, so let's do some tour guiding.
Yes.
All of this is coral. And everything here used to be below sea level. And eventually it was pushed up piece by piece, and that is what Aruba is. And that's exactly the words that I say when I'm giving a tour. And if you see carefully down here, you're gonna see some black rocks, smoother type of rocks, like grayish black. That is all volcanic rocks.
And your wife is
because-
gonna put her feet in the water.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Go over there.
Don't tell me what to do. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh. It's too rocky over here. And so what happened is we don't have any volcanoes on this island, but when the tectonic plates moved, lava came out, creating a platform of like lava rock, volcanic rock, and everything was below sea level. So eventually the coral, which is all these are actually coral, started to grow on top of the volcanic rocks, and then eventually it was pushed up piece by piece by earthquakes and all these things, and that's how Aruba was created. So we
Is
have
my mic gonna mess up the sound for you?
No,
Because I'm like closer to the water?
no. I don't think so. I hope not. I love you.
I love you.
And
It's way too cold for you.
I know. So this is actually how the north coast looks like in Aruba. It's very different to the south side where the resorts are, the hotel area and all of that. Over there it's mostly white sandy beaches and all of that. So yeah. Now probably you cannot see from right here from this point, but I'm gonna talk about this later. There is a lot of let me set this first and then we can talk. Is it sturdy? Video on video.
Sending it to my mom.
Nice.
She needs,
Inception.
she needs some ocean time today.
Yeah, she does.
Those waves are incredible out there.
They are. And so yeah, there's a lot of plastic, unfortunately. Especially on the north coast of the island because the current comes from that side. So basically from that side is you get the rest of the Caribbean. So it's like a inverted sea.
Yeah.
And Aruba is all the way to the south, and then it ends in Cuba all the way to the north. And the wind blows from that side, the water comes from that side, the current, and it washes everything up here. There are people that clean it at least once a week. I see them out, but I think it's more. But a few days later, it's gonna wash up more, you know, cruise ships and these things and humans in general. So
It's unfortunate.
yeah.
I know what she's gonna say. She's gonna say, "Be careful." We're not in this. You took your shoes off.
Because you're my influencer.
Our alarm went off.
For laundry? No, for
Yeah,
what was it? Laundry?
it was laundry.
Yeah,
You did remember.
I did.
Are you getting it?
The big one. Yay. I want to put my feet in, but it's too cold.
You can do it. Don't fall.
I was in the water already. Hey, today the whole day in general was very cold. Like the wind.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Happy birthday, Zoe.
Bug on me. Okay, now we gotta take a picture. Wait, this way.
I'm not in it. I love you.
It's your job to get in the picture, okay?
It's my job to get in it.
Yes. All right, go out.
Yeah, no.